Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our classwork. History, Chapter 1, When, Where and How. In this chapter, we have already finished very short answers, and long answers. So, what is remaining? Only take the correct answers, choose the correct options, and true false is remaining. In this chapter, there is no match the following and there is no fill-ups. That means you have to read the whole lesson in order to get questions. If we can, because we gave questions from in between the books also, so you have to read the chapter properly. So in question paper, maybe you will get some questions which is like fill in the blanks and match the following, which is not given in the book. But if you read the chapter properly, you will get the answer easily. So today we will I will discuss correct option, choosing the correct option, and true false. So you will have to write it down in your fair notebook, as well as you have to fill the correct answer in the book also. Okay, so let's start with the exercises. This is chapter 1, history. First of all, you have to write multiple choice question. You all know about this, that you will get one question and there will be multiple choices. From that, you have to choose the correct one. So the first question is, the modern period extend roughly from there are various options are given: prehistoric period to 7th century AD, 8th century to 18th century AD, 18th century to contemporary times, none of these. So the correct answer is 18th century to contemporary times. That means from 18th century onwards till now, whatever is happening will be written down as a modern period. Okay, so now we will move to the question number 2. So here question number 2, as you can see, James Mill wrote a history of British India. James Mill is a Scottish philosopher, and he wrote a book, A History of British India, in 1805, 1817, 1885 or 1887. I have ticked it 1817. Okay, the third question is, James Mill divided the Indian history into. James Mill, according to his study, divided the Indian history into different period: ancient, medieval, modern, Brahmin, Kshatriya and Vaishya, Hindu, Muslim and British, or none of these. This is Hindu, Muslim and British is the right answer. Fourth question, which one of the following refers to the practice by which a powerful country controls another country? So, what is the practice known when a powerful country is controlling another country politically and economically? So, colonization, casteism, sati system, none of these. So, colonization is the correct answer. Who among the following was the first woman to write an autobiography in Bengali? The fifth question. The first woman to write an autobiography. Autobiography means about yourself, written by you. So, Madam Kama, Ras Sundari Desi, Sarojini Naidu and Indira Gandhi. So, Ras Sundari Desi, she has written down autobiography, and the name of the autobiography was Amar Jivan. Amar Jivan means my life. Okay, so this is all about the MCQ, and mind it, you have to write all the options and then you have to tick the correct one. Okay, the next one is true false. History is only about the past facts. No. Yes, true. It is true. James Mill was a French philosopher. No, he was a Scottish philosopher. The British were concerned about the welfare of the Indians. Definitely not. They were concerned about their welfare. So this is also false. Official records are an important source of history of modern India. Yes, of course. Official records were kept by the Britishers because they did all the work very efficiently and they kept a record. And you know that keeping a record is a good thing. When we have to find out anything, if there is a record, then it can be easily recalled. So it is true. So I will show the answers. First is true, second one is false, third one is also false, fourth one is true. So that's it for today's work. So finish it now, and mind it, you have to write in your classwork in fair notebook, and as well as you have to tick it in your book also. So today we will also have some classwork. Okay, finish it, then tell me if you have any problem.